You're seeing right now, it's look like a normal moose. Yeah, it's happening rain season, but let me show you from my camera view. First of all, I'm going to put it on zoom mode, and then wait for it. Ta-da! So lovely. And look at these cute snails, baby snails. They are also living here. And these cute ants, if you can see, this is a small part of moose, and having so many creatures and bugs and snails in there. That's why nature is always important. And look at this cute raindrops. I can't believe that I saw this beauty today. If you found any moose in your area, just put your camera on zoom and you will see the beauty of moose. I can't get over it, but so look at these creatures first. They're having good times, I think.